Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a missing folder in Outlook so you can recover your organized emails and get your workspace back in order in 2026. Let's get into it. First, verify the folder pane visibility. The first thing to check is whether your sidebar has simply been hidden or collapsed by a recent update or an accidental click. Navigate to the View tab in the top ribbon of your Outlook dashboard. Click on the folder pane icon. In the drop-down menu, ensure that Normal is selected and that nothing is set to Off or Hidden. Outlook's focus mode can sometimes automatically hide the sidebar to save screen space. By forcing the folder pane back to normal, you ensure that the entire directory tree is visible, which often brings missing folders right back into view immediately. Next, expand your search parameters. If the folder is visible but the contents are missing, or if the folder is nested somewhere you can't see, you need to use the advanced search filters. Click into the search bar at the top of the screen. Look for the filter dropdown, the lines icon, on the right side of the search box. By default, Outlook might be searching your current folder. In 2026, you need to manually toggle this to All Outlook Items or All Folders within the dropdown. This forces the AI to look through your archive, deleted items, and even deep subfolders to find exactly where your data is hiding. Once you've expanded your search, you can type the name of the missing folder into the search bar and hit Enter. Because often we accidentally drag and drop a folder into another one without realizing it. Using the All Folders search filter reveals the hidden hierarchy, saving you from having to click through every single dropdown in your inbox to find your lost files. And that's pretty much it. To find a missing folder in 2026, start in the View tab to make sure your folder pane isn't hidden. Then use the search bar with the filter dropdown set to All Folders to scan your entire account. Once you see the folder path in the search results, you'll know exactly where to find your missing emails. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.